naitwa Rachel, and this cute and huyu bwana wa mandevu and this is my hubby bwana wa mandevu.
Do you know ni watu wangapi wamefunja ndoa cause mabwana zao hawana ndevu? Do you know by the way?
Kama hana ndevu.
Ndoa zikaliki bana.
Kama hana ndevu.
Anyway,
for me tanifanya kama Willy. Kama hana ndevu for me.
No, but sitamea tu. Endelea kukaa na bwanako. Sitamea. Hata kama ni at 50. Hakuna mtu anaweza kosa ndevu hata moja in his life.
It depends on what you like. If you like bwana wa mandevu kama mimi,
please tafuta. Otherwise ndoa yako itakuja kufunjika by the way.
Au kuona ile video ya Ngilu.
Physical features something by the very serious.
Sisikie love. Ulionanga ile video ya Ngilu, sijui alikuwa kwa church ama ni wapi. Akaona
but that is how that's sexual harassment. Si ndio? Akaona unashika mwanaume wa kijana wa mtu mandevu unamdara.
This young, you know, handsome, tall, dark and handsome boy. Let me say man with a lot of beards. Na Ngilu akaona hata hizi vumilia. Hata nimuita hata mbele ya watu. And to feel
naturally watu wa mandevu are just cute, like naturally, like you don't need to, you know. They're so handsome.
Ngilu akafanya ile kitu.
Then of course at the end of the day unajipata wewe ni Mkisii. Oh, what?
What about Mkisii?
These men are handsome, love.
Not all of them. Mine is handsome. Me, I'm not talking about. Don't say Kisii man. Why don't you talk about yourself?
No, like
say I am a Kisii man.
I'm a Kisii.
And I am handsome. And the way handsome. I can say I'm a Kamba babe.
Yes.
And I'm cute.
Yes, I agree. Cute everywhere. Cute.
Everywhere.
From the face, the waist. Oh, wacha tusiende sana. Anyway. What do you want to... Hii video yako ilikuwa juu ya nini?
Me, I was shooting some other video then you popped in. So, I said, why don't I do a little video? But then nilishukwaje. Look at my braids. Look at my braids. Look at my braids. Okay. It's from... What's the name of this salon? La Bella Hair Salon at Ongata Rongai. They are the best when it comes to braids.
Lisa. Ai, nataka ingie kwa mdomo.
And then, thank you for thank you for what? Thank you for this. Thank you for paying for my Aje?
You don't need thanks. That's a man's.
Thank you.
As a man, you ought to ensure your girl looks neat.
But I like my braids. Yeah? I really like braids.
But then let me tell you one thing. Can I tell something?
Yeah.
You know, if you laugh like if you are a boy, isn't it? Unajua kila mwanaume anakuanga na test. Women don't have a test. Ai, wanawake wananga test.
Honestly, love.
Kuna wanawake wananga test. Hiyo ni ukora.
How? Test ya chakula, hebu nimeingililia bila hata kujua. I have jumped into conclusion. Test about what?
You know, let me tell you. No matter how rich or what a woman is, like no matter akona features gani, my friend, mwanaume kwanza ataendea beauty.
A man will go for beauty?
Yes. A man will go for beauty first. Like ataangalia achukue kitu mali safi. Ushanielewa?
How about a woman?
The same as a car. Mwanaume hawezi enda kwa yard. Aende tu hivi achukue kitoi. Ushanielewa? If ukienda pale unaangalia hiyo gari kwaje, design nini? Unaangalia, you know, test. Nyumba ukitaka kuchenga, you know, what are you saying? You go for serious things. Unanielewa? Like unaangalia unataka ikae hivi kidesign imesimama namna hii. Unanielewa? So, That's why unapata sometimes a man is hopping from one side to the other side. Ni kwa nini? Kuna test anatafuta akupata on one side.
Love.
Ushanielewa? So,
I'm trying to listen.
No.
Whatever you are trying to say, men have taste.
Yes.
We as women, we don't have taste.
Taste.
Honestly,
a woman can get married by a monkey.
Jesus of Nazareth.
A woman can even
marry. Are you listening to this man? Guys, Team Rachel, come here. No. We as ladies,
women don't have taste.
Atunanga taste. So, mi sikuwa na taste wakati nilikuwa na kuchagua. Stand here. Sikuwa na taste wakati nilikuwa na kuchagua.
So wewe, I'm sure you prayed a lot. Like there was a lot of
women, we don't have taste.
Intervention kutoka kwa Mungu kunipata.
So
no, what I mean is this.
No.
What I mean is this, love. You know why? Try to imagine.
Love umekuja sana. Why are you saying that women we don't have taste? We have taste. Tunajua kutafuta. Mwanaume unaangalia.
Mwanamke so long as mwanaume ako na pesa. So long as a monkey is rich. So long as an antelope is rich. So long as
not all women. Not all women. Imagine. Me, I took my time. Nikaona kijana mali safi.
No, not all.
Kijana alikuwa na pesa. Unasema tunaangalia pesa. Did you have money?
What I mean ni mwanaume uchukua a lot of time kuchukua kitu. Unajua mimi ningeangalia uso. Unanielewa? Niteremke nione how is kifua. Mvua inaweza nyesha isitulie mahali before iteremke. Like niangalie. Do you have a good inaitwa aje ya nyumba? How do you call it? Inaitwa kwa Kiswahili inaitwa paa la nyumba.
Oh my goodness.
Ama mvua itakuwa inanyesha tu kwa hapo kwa cold and everything so lazima nikiangalia so singeangalia tu uso peke yake pap. No. I have a test. Lazima niangalie forehead iko aje. Unanielewa? Macho iko aje. Demu akiniangalia can I feel poor? Ama could I feel scared? Unanielewa?
Honestly,
so
you are disrespecting women.
No. Women
we have taste.
Women have no taste.
We have taste.
No. Saa hii tukienda pale kwa yard wewe kuna kitu unaweza chukua useme, "Hey, that looks nice." My friend had really
but that's my taste. Me nipeleke kwa yard saa hii. Do you think nitaendea Paso yenye ulinunua gari yako?
I never bought that Paso. Why are you saying like that?
Guys,
join no Paso.
This guy.
Join no Paso. But either time
gari yake.
Join no Paso.
Gari yake ya kwanza kununua ilikuwa Paso. Speak the truth.
But you know,
unasemanga wanawake
ukikaangalia unajua for the start.
No, listen. Wakati you are speaking nilimekupea time. Love alienda akatafuta gari. Guess what? Alikuja na kapaso. Kenya kanga kale kamkate kadogo. Unaona? Ako kagari. And then alikuwa excited.
But
like
kalikuwa very neat.
Yes,
kalikuwa decent. Kalikuwa very decent.
But me sikuona kama umenunua gari. I never reacted. Ni kama ulikuwa na like, nimenunua gari, my wife will be happy. And kuona kagari me just.
But I never stayed with that car even
ako kagari kalika one day akarudishia mwenyewe akanunua gari nyingine. So, and here is the man who is saying that women have no taste. Na gari alienda kaleta kapaso. Ingekuwa ni mimi.
No.
Mimi ningeenda nikuje na Mazda CX-5. Ama nikuje na Mazda Atenza. Nikuje na Atenza.
You know,
ama Axela.
Acha nikwambie la.
Women have You say women have no taste.
Wanawake wanaanga taste.
So
men we have taste.
Sikuwa na taste wakati nilikuwa na kuja.
Ukiona wacha nikwambie.
Do you know women kuna zile qualities unaangalia
kwa mwanaume
in a man.
Kwa mwanamke, let me ask you like this. Kwa mwanamke, kwa mwanaume like, kwa mwanamke yes. Features gani unaangalia? Unajua? Do you guys lie?
It depends on what you want. Can I use myself as an example?
Let me nasemanga kitu moja. If you let me say reality. Some people watu wameumbwa na.
Do you think I can just get married?
Wacha nikwambie kitu moja. Do you know why nakwambia hivyo? Me as a man. Na hii ni kitu like I have learned. Unaelewa? If you don't get like a cute girl for yourself, usipojitafutia dem mrembo, it is one of the factors yenye itakuwa inakufanya unashuka kutoka hapa ukienda pale. You are just hoping. That's a reality by the way. I can assure you. Why? Because mimi nitatoka kwa hii nyumba and I will be like, what? Kaliaga ya yule dem manze. Because nilichukua uso but nikalemewa kuangalia size ya haga.
So let me ask you.
No, listen. Nikaangalia sema, wow, odema kona macho supu. And you see that is why men ladies, they apply a lot of lot of makeups, a lot of bling. Some wengine wanaenda wanajitopoa inaitwaje? Si wanajitengenezea dimple. Like they want to look and they want to wape na ka test. Then mwanaume akiangalia hivi, unanielewa? You know what I mean? So if as a man you don't take time, uangalie utakuwa umepoteza. And that's why nakwambia most men like wanaume tunakuanga na test. Tunaangalia sana. We try a lot.
Even us as women, most of us have tests. Kama kuna wenye hawana test, few of them, but shauri yao. As for me, Rachel, and other women, and Team Rachel, we have tests.
So means sometimes that's why nasema.
Because honestly, let me ask you a question. Umesema when you are the man, when you are choosing a woman, unaangalia sura, unaangalia kama sitting allowance iko sawa.
Yes.
Kama matunda.
Kama mtu anaweza kalia sofa.
Kama matunda iko sawa.
Yes.
Now, let's say yes, Maranga, you get this beautiful, cute girl.
In short,
she has everything.
Zinapendeza.
She has everything yenye ukiangalia hivi. Una feel unasikia tu.
Yes.
But when it comes to character, ukifika kwa nyumba unasimamishwa hivi.
Love. Character
No. You can be a very beautiful lady. You can marry a very beautiful lady. But kwa nyumba yako you have no peace. You have no peace. Even you are scared of coming to your own house.
What I mean.
Listen, I talk.
Unafika hapa. What I meant is that's the outward features. Nacho just napea test. Like that thing looks nice. How do you say that thing looks nice? Ukisimama hapo uangalie ile ni mti ya mapera, kuna miti ya mapera 2, 3, 4 na nini. Utaona yenye iko labda na ni mapera yenye yellow nini iko na a lot of inaitwaje leaves, like you know the one that is too green.
Do you know?
Utaangalia hivi na useme, wow, it looks nice.
But that one looks nice to you. Maybe to someone else, it doesn't look nice to them.
Tusidanganyane. If something is cute, no, let us agree. If is kama mtu akwambie, you know what, a Range Rover. No, for me I don't like a Range Rover. I love a what? Which one? A Toyota Corolla or something else. So like all of us agree.
But even test yake. Maybe I don't like the shape of a Range Rover.
Sema huyo mtu Sasa
no. Love, you have to
Sasa.
respect people's what do I call it? People's taste. If I like this
no,
kind of
I respect, you know that's where na sasa hapo unapotea. It doesn't mean siheshimu, I don't respect. Unanielewa? What I'm saying, I was saying like, you know where we deviate. We were saying
ulikuwa unasema wanawake we hakuna taste.
Wanawake wananga taste. Unaangalia hivyo sio kwa ubaya, but unaweza angalia hivyo mwana.
Acha turudi hapo kwa. So ina depend pia unataka flavor gani.
So long as a man you have money. And that's why right now, man, we are looking for money. I can assure you. Like, so long as you have money. So long as you have
money.
So long as you have
money.
Today, if I go to the national park there, I give one of the monkeys 5 million. By Gioni. By Gioni. Gioni. Wasichana watakuwa wamepanga line. In fact we say if monkeys had money, some women will be living in the forest. And I'm gone.
Come here.
No, I'm gone, my dear.
You know this guy?
I'm gone, my dear.
Kwani unatuonaga?
That's an African proverb.
No.
And you can't argue about it.
You know you look too much. Allow me to talk. This man
sema bibi yangu
anatuonaje kama sisi wanawake? Do you see us as god diggers? Do you see us as materialistic?
That is a reality.
So you think we go for men for money?
I usually give you
I'm here because of money?
No. Today,
you say
today
I'm here because of money.
Today I may be having
when I married you, how much money did you have in your account?
You know, let me give you one example.
When I married you, how much money did you have in your account?
When you married me, in fact before nikuja hapo, in short, sikuwa na pesa. You had no money. I had no money.
And you are here saying that we women will go for money.
Not all love.
You said women we are materialistic, we are gold diggers. Love, wanawake we know how to look for money.
I know.
Not all women are materialistic.
I know,
not all women are gold diggers. Women out there are very, very hardworking. Wanajua kujitafutia pesa. And I'm sure kuna wanaume hapo nje wamewekwa na wanawake. Wanalishwa na wanawake. So not all women are materialistic.
If monkeys had money, some women will be in the
yes, some women are, but not all women. So when you are talking about women, don't generalize like
I advise men.
Anyway, as a man, look for money.
Exactly. Bro, tafuta pesa.
Tafuta pesa pia. Pia wanawake hata kama tuko na pesa zetu.
Ukiona una wanawake wengi wanakutaka pesa una. Ya ukweli.
Your kids need money. They need to live in a good house.
Yeah, your but wife, like if ukiona wanawake wewe akupendi wewe, jua una pesa.
Hata kama niko na pesa, kuna zile responsibilities
zako
as a man. You don't want lazy men. Lazima utafute pesa because kuna zile responsibilities unafaa kuwa nazo. Mbona uongelei wanaume wenye wanatafuta wababa wa mama?
Nani?
Wanaume wenye
Those are boys.
Boys are also men. And you are not talking about that category of men.
Next time I want you to
wenye wanaendea wa mama wenye wako na pesa wanaekwa.
Next time I want you, because umeongelea kitu inasema kuna wanaume wanaenda kutafuta wa mama.
Yes.
Wako. Unanielewa?
Yes.
I don't think kuna kijana mwenye akona baba. Akona
baba
ama mwenye amelelewa na baba mzazi mwenye anaenda kutafuta wanawake wazee.
No.
But as men, I educate my boy, or I am bringing up my boy, yeah, to be a man and not to be a boy. If I am going for an old show, I'm going as a boy, man.
But anyway, the way unaongelelea wanawake, you should apologize. Especially you don't talk that about women. And if man
apologize what?
And if man
that men should look for money.
If
women,
you want me to apologize, money.
No, women, you want me to apologize by telling men that they should look for money? That one, no. That men have test? Yes. Angalia kitu nilichukua. If I had no test, what are you saying, bana?
Sababu ulikuwa na test.
Yes.
Hiyo ni kaneema tu ulikuwa.
Sio nilikuwa na test, na kuanga na test. Baya sana. They know. Anyway. They know. So you know, guys.
Najua.
Na kuanga na test.
If you are choosing, you choose what you think is good for you.
Yes.
What you see kenye unaona iko good.
But there is an African proverb that says, if monkeys had money, some women will be living in the forest.
Just go. Just go. Umebo. You can't talk like that. Wezi ongelelea wanawake hivyo. Yet you have one in the house. In fact, you are living with 2 women in the house. If you enjoyed watching this video, please like, share, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. And let's meet again in the next video. And Team Rachel and Team Maranga, do you think what Maranga was saying is right? Actually, women have no taste. Men have. You are back.
Hakuna mwanamke anapenda chihuahua, my friend. Like men.
Nilikuwa nimemaliza video yangu.
Umemaliza? Sawa.
Na uko hapa tu umeleta kierere yako.
Maliza.
Unataka vita?
No.
Team Rachel.
No, it's okay. Finish your video. Bye, guys. Let me do something better.
We need to teach this man a lesson.
Let me do something better, please.
You can't be talking so evil about women.
No.
Yet
No.
You have women in your life.
What we were talking, there was no negative anywhere. Is there anything negative we have talked about?
But saying that if monkeys had money, all women...
That's an African proverb.
Living in the forest.
That says like this. If monkeys had money,
we have
women would be living in the forest. Does it mean if you have dignity? Or people have dignity? What is dignity, by the way?
Nile heshima.
Exactly.
Umejiheshimu.
That is why, and that is why I'm married to a woman. That's why I want my boy, I'm bringing up, seriously.
In short,
to be a great man. Okay?
Even though
I'm bringing up my daughter to be a great woman, a great wife, a great mother. Don't joke, man.
In short,
I'm a family lover, man.
Not all women are materialistic. Not all women
but I said some. Guys, I said some.
But
please don't.
And not all men have taste. If you have taste, not all men have taste.
Lakini mwanaume tafuta pesa. Utapendwa tu.
Pia utafute pesa uninunulie gari. I need a Mazda.
So unataka sasa
because you said women we have no taste. Maybe ungeniuliza ni gari gani unataka kunipea ningekwambia.
Watu wako kwa tensa huko mbele wako kwa songa.
Nisonge niende wapi?
I want to go.
Go.
Finish your video.
I'm done. Guys, tupatane next video.
Bye.
Hey.
Women.
Hey.
Women.
Hey. Hey.
Women. Bye, guys.
And me, men. 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 Men.
If monkeys had money. Wacha tutafute pesa.
Tutafute pesa. umejikaanga. Now I'll be giving you a lot of pressure. Umesema wanaume mtafute pesa.
Yes.
I want to see that money in this house. Look for money. Okay. Look for money. Look for money. Ikuwe kwa roof. Everywhere. Money, money, money. In the pocket when you wake up.
Sisi watu hawaekangi pesa kwa nini madam?
Si lazima.
That's a video.
I want to see money everywhere. Money, 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 money.